This is the box for the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. Now apart from the S21 name, there's nothing much on the front of the box. And on one side you can see the Samsung brand name, there's nothing at the base of the box. And if you see the other side, you'll see the Galaxy brand name here. Let's quickly open it up to see what's inside. The first thing you see here is the Galaxy S21 5G itself. Let's boot it up and keep it aside for a bit while we check out what else is in the box. You see some stickers here along with a paper box. And when you flip this, you will find the SIM eject tool right here. Let's open it up to see what else is inside here. And this is the charging cable. Note that this is a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. This means that the Galaxy S21 has a USB Type-C port and it also requires a power adapter with a USB Type-C port. You also have some documents here such as this quick start guide. And apart from this, there is nothing else in the box. Yes, that's right. You don't get a power adapter or a pair of headphones in the box with the Galaxy S21. So the Galaxy S21 has booted up. Now let's quickly set it up. The Galaxy S21 features a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display comes with HDR10 Plus certification, Samsung's Eye Comfort Shield technology, and an adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz. This smartphone ships with the Exynos 2100 chipset in India, and it has 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage in one variant, while another variant has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now let's talk about the cameras. This smartphone has a 12-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle camera that has a 120-degree field of view. It also has a 12-megapixel dual-pixel sensor with an f1.8 lens. And finally, it has a 64-megapixel sensor with hybrid optic 3x zoom and an f2.0 lens. For selfies, you get a 10-megapixel front camera that has an f2.2 aperture. The Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 4000 mAh battery which supports USB power delivery 3.0 fast charging. It also supports fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This smartphone weighs 171 grams. Now that the device is set up, let's first check out the Android version number on this phone. So the Galaxy S21 ships with One UI 3.1, which is based on Android 11.